I'm Brittany.
And I'm Charmaine.
And thank you for watching our In Living Color lookbook.
Yeah.
It was really fun to film. And I'm gonna ask Charmaine, what was your interpretation of the video?
I think for me, it was more so seeing the world in a more positive perspective, because I feel like the black and white portions was kind of like, could be interpreted as like a looming like cloud that kind of like you're not feeling that great, you know, a lot of different things could be happening like in your life. And I think that just opening your eyes to like the color, which like that segment opening was more so like trying to maybe find the positives in it, you know, think about the positives of life, think about something that made you smile that day or something like that. I think is how I kind of interpreted it, and I think that it's something that really helped me, because I know that I get, you know, negative sometimes, or you know, so that's how I interpreted it. What about you?
The way that I interpreted the video for me was just sort of looking at the positives in life, but also too kind of making more of a point to notice the things around me, because I really like, the more we started filming, the more I love being in nature, and those like really hot outside but like I just like seeing like the details of like a flower, like a leaf or something like that. So I just found myself drawn to more things that have color in it, and that's why that was one of my resolutions for this year, was to wear more color. Just because I find that it puts me in a happier mood, and like color is like a way of expression, and different colors mean different things. So I just found it to be inspirational, just wanting me to be around more color and just inviting more positivity into my life. So
so that's what we hope y'all maybe got from it, and let us know in the comments, you know, what you thought, or maybe how you interpret the video. We'd love to know.
Yeah, we would love to know. Leave a comment below. That rhymes.
Yeah, it did. We should say that now.
Okay.
Yeah.
So thank you so much for watching this video. We have more content coming up. Just stay tuned.
If you want to keep up with us on our socials, you can find us at The Complex Girls.
Complex Girls on everything.
Snapchat, Twitter, Instagram. Here on YouTube. Yes, you're French.
YouTube.
She's French now. That's my beret, by the way. So thank you all so much for watching. We're so happy.
Yes, sending positive vibes.
Okay, we have a lot of energy right now. But again, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you all in our next video.
Bye-bye. Have a good time.
Woo!